Oh my.
What's up, guys? Just got my new cat. It's pretty cool. What the?
It might have the Star Wars Lego set Death Star, but can he chug a sparkling water and not burp? Oh my gosh! What do I do?
If I ask the girl for chapstick and she just pulls me in to kiss me.
Yeah.
New challenge, whisper your dog's favorite word and record their reaction.
Vambora. Hello there.
General Kenobi! May the Force be with you! Always!
AJ, come to see Mama.
Mama. Mama. Mama. Mama. Bow. Bow. Bow.
What the fuck? Are you fucking serious? What? You fucking cockfucker? What the fuck you think you're doing?
Sneezing.
Fucking filthy, dirty fucking cockfucker.
Nicolò, paravo papà. Va bene? Bellissimo, bellissimo infermo, Nicolò.
It was said that you would destroy the Sith, not join them! Bring balance to the Force, not leave it in darkness! Remember when you said you was gonna book my vacation to Miami because you're good at the Google machine? Well, you motherfucker sent me to goddamn Miami of Ohio, not Miami, Florida, you son of a fucking bitch. Motherfucker, I'm goddamn freezing. I thought I was going to the beach, so all I fucking packed was these goddamn flip-flops and shorts and these fucking t-shirts. I'm shaking my ass off walking around downtown trying to go into a fucking restaurant. The fucking locals think I'm a homeless person. They try giving me money, and I say, no, I'm on vacation. Then they think my brain's broken, so they call the police to give me a mental evaluation. That happened twice already. I became the village idiot in this whole fucking town in 3 days. The whole town knows me. They all call me Beach Bum when I walk in the fucking door because I'm shivering fucking cold, looking like I'm going to the fucking beach. Motherfucker, I swear to God, when I get home, I'm gonna karate chop you right in the fucking Adam's apple. I'm lucky that I got hairy feet, otherwise I'd have frostbite on those motherfuckers. This was my first vacation, you son of a bitch. I'm walking around in Arctic tundra.